Recently, we completed an overnight winter bikepacking trip to Englishman River Falls here on Vancouver Island. It's a modified loop of a route found on bikepacking.com. The route begins in Parksville, following a network of dirt and gravel trails to Raths River Provincial Park. After leaving the park on a recreational trail network, we crossed the Englishman River and began our ascent towards our destination on a newly constructed mountain bike trail. The next morning, we continued our journey parallel to the river on a series of flooded out mountain bike trails, before crossing the river and beginning our return on logging roads. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it helps other people with similar interests see this content.
Go swimming!
Trails within Raths River Beach Park offer nice views of the Strait of Georgia, and on a clear day, offers views of the mountain range and adjacent Sunshine Coast. After crossing the river, we stopped for a quick snack. Apparently there were a number of petroglyphs, or carvings, on rocks by the river left by indigenous people many years ago.
It's not a bike packing adventure without a little hike-a-bike. Need a bike ride. Don't fall in the water.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
At this point, the off-road trail has ended, and now it's a short trek on pavement to our destination for the evening. Good morning. A cool night of camping here at Englishman River Falls. Kind of an interesting history behind the name of the river. Allegedly, it was named after local indigenous people found the body of a Caucasian man who died apparently trying to cross the river. In 1940, the surrounding area was designated as a provincial park to protect the old-growth forest and its associated ecosystem along the river in the vicinity of the waterfalls. It's also an important watershed for salmon spawning.
Nice day for a push. So we've decided to try and make a loop out of this instead of going back the way we came. I found some mountain bike and old forestry roads that will potentially lead us over the river. And then looks like we can take a nice downhill back into Parksville. Hopefully the roads are good, because a bunch of what we're doing right now is washed out, but it's still a lot of fun. I said it'd be cooler if you rode it.
After dodging a few more puddles, we were happy to meet up with another logging road, which should take us most of the way back home.
Like a more major road.
Before we get back to town, it's time for one last little bit of single track. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.